In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto renew on Hostgator. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage your billing preferences and prevent unwanted charges. Whether you're planning to switch hosting providers or just want more control over your renewals, this guide will walk you through each step clearly. Let's begin by heading over to Hostgator's website. Open your browser and go to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the sign and button. Click on it and enter your Hostgator account credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct so you can access your dashboard without interruptions. After signing in, you'll be taken to your personalized Hostgator homepage. From here, your next step is to navigate to the profile section. You'll find it in the top navigation menu. Click on Profile to open a page that contains all your personal account information and administrative tools. This is the area where you'll be able to manage your renewal settings. Inside the profile page, look for an option labeled Renewal Center. This is an important section because it displays all the services linked to your account along with their renewal dates and billing status. Click on Renewal Center to proceed. You'll now see a detailed list of every hosting plan, domain, and additional service you're subscribed to. Next to each service, you'll find the auto renew option. This might appear as a toggle switch or a simple button that says Disable Auto Renew. Locate the service you want to modify and click on the Disable option. After clicking, Hostgator may ask you to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, Auto Renew will be turned off for that service. This means Hostgator will not automatically charge you when the renewal date approaches. It's important to double check that the setting has been updated correctly. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, and the status should now reflect that Auto Renew is disabled. This small step gives you full control over your subscription and helps you avoid unexpected payments, especially if you're planning to let a service expire or review alternatives before renewing. While you're already in your account dashboard, it may be a good idea to explore other settings and become familiar with the tools Hostgator provides. Understanding your billing and subscription options makes hosting management much easier over time. If you ever decide to turn auto renew back on, you can return to the Renewal Center and re-enable the feature with a single click, and that's all it takes. Your auto renew setting is now successfully updated. I hope this guide has helped you manage your Hostgator billing preferences with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.